What if your Mercedes is hiding power you've never unlocked? Hidden settings, MBUX secrets, performance tricks, fuel-saving hacks. Welcome to Mercedes Hidden Tech, the channel built for Mercedes owners who want more. More performance, more control, less expensive surprises, professional maintenance tips, warning lights explained, hidden features unlocked, dealer secrets exposed. Unlock the truth today. Subscribe now to unlock your Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes Hidden Tech. Unlock your Mercedes.
Modern Mercedes engines, the everyday habits that quietly shorten their life. Have you ever wondered why two identical Mercedes cars can age so differently? Why one engine runs smoothly past 250,000 miles while another fails before 120,000? Why some Mercedes owners swear their car is bulletproof while others face constant repairs? And what if the real reason isn't the engine design, but the way the car is driven and treated every single day? Stay until the end, because the final points in this episode reveal habits most Mercedes owners never realize are harming their engines. Before we begin, if your goal is to make your Mercedes last well beyond the warranty period and avoid the costly failures many owners experience, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not marketing myths or dealer excuses. Modern Mercedes engines are engineering masterpieces. They are powerful, refined, efficient, and packed with technology. But that sophistication comes with a trade-off. These engines are far less forgiving of bad habits than older Mercedes engines were. The problem is that many owners still drive modern Mercedes models as if they were built like cars from the 1990s. And that mismatch is quietly shortening engine life. One of the most damaging habits is cold start driving behavior. Modern Mercedes engines, especially turbocharged petrol and diesel units, rely on extremely precise lubrication. When the engine is started cold, oil has not yet reached optimal flow or temperature. Many drivers start the car and immediately accelerate aggressively, believing modern engines are ready instantly. They are not. Cold oil does not protect turbo bearings, timing components, or cylinder walls properly. Repeated cold stress causes where that cannot be reversed later. Short trips are another silent enemy of modern Mercedes engines. If your driving consists mostly of trips under 10 minutes, your engine rarely reaches full operating temperature. This leads to moisture accumulation in oil, fuel dilution, carbon buildup, and incomplete combustion cycles. Diesel models suffer especially from this, as diesel particulate filters rely on longer drives to regenerate properly. Petrol turbo engines also suffer from intake valve carbon buildup and oil contamination. Another overlooked habit is trusting factory service intervals blindly. Mercedes' official maintenance schedules are designed around leasing cycles, emissions targets, and customer cost perception. They are not optimized for maximum engine longevity. Long oil change intervals may look professional on paper, but oil degrades faster in modern engines due to higher temperatures and tighter tolerances. Dirty oil accelerates where in timing chains, camshafts, turbochargers, and hydraulic lifters. Many Mercedes owners unknowingly use the wrong oil philosophy. Using oil that is technically approved does not always mean it is ideal for your driving style. Stop-and-go city driving, short trips, and aggressive acceleration place far more stress on oil than highway cruising. When oil shears down and loses its protective film, metal-to-metal contact increases silently. The engine may still feel smooth, but internal wear accelerates. Driving modes are another misunderstood factor. Mercedes vehicles offer comfort, sport, sport plus, and eco modes. Many drivers leave the car in sport mode permanently because it feels responsive. But aggressive throttle mapping and higher shift points increase engine load unnecessarily during daily driving. Sport modes are designed for occasional use, not constant operation. Using them incorrectly raises oil temperatures and mechanical stress over time. One habit that causes severe damage is applying heavy throttle at low engine speeds. Modern Mercedes turbo engines produce strong torque at low RPM, which can mislead drivers into thinking the engine is comfortable there. In reality, high load at low RPM creates extreme cylinder pressure. This stresses pistons, rods, bearings, and turbo components. Downshifting before accelerating reduces stress and improves engine health dramatically. Another common mistake is ignoring oil temperature and focusing only on coolant temperature. Coolant warms up faster and gives a false sense of readiness. Oil temperature is what truly matters for lubrication. Driving hard before oil temperature stabilizes is one of the fastest ways to damage turbochargers and timing components in modern Mercedes engines. Many owners also shut down the engine immediately after high-load driving. Turbochargers operate at extremely high temperatures. When the engine is shut off immediately, oil flow stops while heat remains trapped inside the turbo. This causes oil coking and carbon deposits inside turbo bearings. Over time, this restricts lubrication and leads to turbo failure. Allowing the engine to idle briefly after hard driving significantly extends turbo life. Fuel quality is another underestimated factor. Modern Mercedes engines are finely tuned. Low-octane or inconsistent fuel quality forces the engine control unit to reduce ignition timing and increase thermal stress. While the ECU protects the engine from immediate damage, repeated poor fuel quality shortens component life and increases carbon buildup. Software updates are often ignored by owners who think they are only for infotainment systems. In reality, many Mercedes software updates improve engine management, cooling logic, turbo protection, and emission strategies. Skipping updates can mean running outdated engine protection algorithms. Preventive maintenance habits also play a crucial role. Many Mercedes owners wait until a component fails before replacing it. Modern engines operate as interconnected systems. A failing PCV system, worn ignition components, or small vacuum leaks can cascade into larger engine problems. Preventive replacement of known weak components reduces stress across the entire engine. Cooling system maintenance is another critical area. Mercedes engines rely on precise thermal control. Old coolant loses corrosion protection and heat transfer efficiency. Micro-overheating events may not trigger warnings, but cause long-term damage. Regular coolant replacement protects aluminum components, seals, and gaskets. Electrical health also affects engine longevity. Weak batteries and low voltage cause erratic sensor behavior, improper fuel delivery, and unstable engine management. Many engine-related issues are actually voltage-related problems in disguise. Modern Mercedes engines are not unreliable. They are simply intolerant of neglect, misinformation, and outdated driving habits. Owners who treat them like old mechanical engines often face early failures. Owners who understand how these engines work often enjoy exceptional longevity. Here is the core Mercedes engine survival mindset. These engines reward patience, smooth inputs, clean fluids, stable temperatures, and informed maintenance. They punish impatience, short trips, poor oil habits, and ignored warnings. Many Mercedes engines that fail early show perfect compression and no catastrophic internal defects. They fail because lubrication, cooling, or thermal management was compromised repeatedly over time. Mileage does not kill these engines. Habits do. If you apply the principles in this episode, you dramatically reduce the risk of major engine failures. You extend turbo life, protect timing components, and maintain efficiency longer. And now, some lesser-known facts most Mercedes owners never hear. Many modern Mercedes engines are capable of extremely high mileage if serviced more frequently than factory schedules suggest. Most turbo failures begin with oil contamination, not boost pressure. Gentle driving warms engines better than long idling. And the difference between a reliable Mercedes and a problematic one is often not engineering, it is education. If you want more Mercedes-specific survival guides, subscribe now. In the next episodes, we will cover Mercedes turbo survival, warning lights you must never ignore, screen and system usage that affects engine health, and model-specific weaknesses in the latest Mercedes lineup. Your Mercedes engine is always communicating with you. Learning to listen is what keeps it alive.